Hi, I'm Elizabeth with Sarasota Home Organizer, and today I'm going to be giving you some tips about how to set goals that are attainable and, most importantly, realistic. When you come to the decision, when you make the decision to get organized, it's very easy to say, I want to organize my life. I want to organize my house. So those are really, really big goals. And although commendable, they're not really realistic, and it's hard to stick to something that seems so big. So I always suggest really biting off a small part, even if it just takes a few minutes. That's something you can cross off your list. So instead of saying, I want to organize my house, pick an area that you want to organize. So let's say you want to organize your bedroom. What part of your bedroom? Okay, so let's narrow that down a little bit more. Let's organize your dresser. Let's organize one drawer. Let's organize one drawer in your nightstand. Pick that drawer, pull everything out, and decide what you want to keep and what you don't want to keep, and then put those things back. So when you're setting goals, make sure you give yourself a very specific task that you are going to accomplish in about 5 to 10 minutes, no more than that. And if it's less than that, if it only takes you a minute or two, it's still an accomplishment. It's still something you can cross off the list and continue on with your day knowing that you accomplished something, and it's still something you should pat yourself on the back for. I'm Elizabeth, owner of Sarasota Home Organizer. If you'd like to learn more about me and my team, check us out online at sarasotahomeorganizer.com, our YouTube channel, and follow us on social media to learn more tips about how you and your family can stay organized.